welcome back to the channel. So for those of you that watched last week's video, I kind of gave you an update on what's going on with my whole move situation and how it's put my build on hold during this COVID thing. So another update on that. We got one of two waivers that I submitted. One has been approved. The waiver that was approved was for all of my stuff to move out of here. So in 2 weeks, all of my stuff will be out of the house, and will be on its way to my new duty station in North Carolina. Still waiting on the second waiver to get approved. And until that gets approved, I have to stay in California. So my family and all of my stuff will be leaving in 2 weeks, with or without me. So I will either be living out of my car or bumming it with someone else, bunking up with a friend, whatever, until August. Hopefully my waiver gets approved and I can just ship my car cross country and be over there by the end of May, which would be awesome. But yeah, that's the update on the move front. Still waiting on that. That waiver to get signed off. Hopefully it gets signed off this week. I was hoping it would be this past week that would be signed off, but it is what it is. Things take time. So also got our new camera mount in the mail this week. So definitely going to be about to break the car out, give it a quick bath, go for a quick drive, because Sundays always gotta grab some donuts for the kids, test out a new donut shop. As you can see in my garage, pretty much been clearing stuff out, getting ready to move out of here. But yeah, fire up the car, pull it out, give it a quick wash. I'm sure my neighbors are loving the fact that the guy with the loudest car in the neighborhood tends to wake up the earliest as well. So I'm sure they love that. But yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera, give the car a quick wash, and then we will go for a drive. UV mode. Car's washed, good, ready for a drive. I look ridiculous, as you can see. Honestly though, I can actually see pretty well around this this setup, so we'll see.
Southeast on Rodeo Street toward Major Dome.
Surprisingly, you can see pretty well around this thing. It's not bad at all. Hopefully you guys can see pretty well. Looks like you can. At least from what I can see, it looks like you can. All right. For the most part, your eyes are just kind of able to look past this thing. The only thing that is really getting me right now is the blinking red dot of the recording signal. But other than that, that's really all that I notice. That's just because it keeps flashing on and off in my eye. For the most part, the camera's invisible to me. It's not bad at all. I think he wants to race. Let's see if this guy does. No, he's not coming. Dude. Being a pain in my ass, man. You wanna race, dude? No? Guys, we're back. Got the donuts, So I actually just I was in there talking to owner, and he told me something kind of interesting. Almost hit that guy. It's a pain in the ass to pull out of this place, especially those friggin' cyclists. All right. Yeah, so I was talking to the owner, and apparently it is mandatory to wear masks anywhere in public now in San Diego County. Now obviously I'm gonna have to fact check that a little bit, but he seemed pretty confident in the fact that it is 100% mandatory to wear masks in public in San Diego County, and they're handing out fines if you do not comply with that, which is absolutely absurd to me. So I'm gonna check that out, but that's just wild, man. Like, I don't know. Not gonna get into that on here, but just freaking crazy, man. Hate these damn bumps. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. Hopefully this next week I get some more news on whether or not I'm gonna be able to move with my family, or I'm just gonna be homeless for the next 3 months. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the new POV cam. Hopefully I get used to driving with that so that I can actually take it out and do some more technical driving. After a while, it did start like bugging my eyes on the highway, so I had to shut it off. But hopefully I get used to it and can bring it out and do some actual good drives with it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.